Hello YouTubers, this is Len Vic with another video. Today I have an issue with my Jeep. It's idling rough. So today I want to go the easiest route. It can be a number of issues that can contribute to that rough idle. It can be the idle air control valve. It can be low fuel pressure, or it can even be a simple wire, or wire that is not connected properly. So today I'm looking at this wire, this ground wire here, because it seems to be corroded. So what I want to do is replace it and replace the terminal. So that's what I'm going to work on today. Alright. So let's settle this camera. Alright, so let's get to it. I'm going to take the battery out. Disconnect the both terminals and take the battery out. Now I can access that bolt that's holding the ground wire to the body, and I'm gonna cut these two wires and make a nice clean end again to install the new terminal. Okay, let's get to it. So now I got this 4-gauge wire which I'm gonna use. It's already got a terminal on it. Yeah. So I just need a short piece. I don't need a very long piece. So I'm gonna measure the previous one. So I just need a short piece. Have the right tool to take the skin off, so I'm gonna just use a knife. But you don't want to go too deep to penetrate, to cut the strands. You want to be just enough. What I did, I put this terminal on. It's not the best of terminals, but for now it will work. So let's get the battery in.